Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the App Store could not sign in authentication failed issue. If you're encountering this problem when trying to log into your Apple Idaho on the App Store, I'll guide you through the solution. Firstly, let's check the issue. When opening the App Store, I'm prompted to sign in with my Apple ID. After entering my credentials, I'm facing the authentication failed message. To fix this problem, open your iPhone settings and navigate to your Apple Idaho settings. If your email address needs verification, click on Verify Email Address. Wait for a few seconds for the OTP to be sent to your email address. Once you receive the OTP in your email, copy it and paste it into the verification prompt. The OTP should be automatically detected. Now return to the App Store, sign in with your Apple Idaho again, and your problem should be resolved. You'll now be able to download apps from the App Store without any issues. That's it. Your Apple Idaho should now be successfully logged in on the App Store. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching.